Hello, here is our preview video for Thursday, December 17th. We're assuming that we're all going to be home learning remotely, but let's look at our learning menu for today. We're going to start with lesson 27, more division. So let's look at our exit ticket, where you're going to do long division for 2 problems. That is your exit ticket. There's also extra division practice, snow day division. And it's similar to yesterday. You're going to drag the numbers to solve these problems. You should do them on a piece of paper or your dry erase board first. There are 10 problems. So that's math. Snack, grammar, you're going to do Thursday compound words. There's a 3-minute video to watch. And then Thursday compound words. So think of a word you can add to make the word fire to make a compound word. So compound words are made of 2 words like corn dog, corn dog. So think of a word you can add to the word ginger to make a compound word. And you're going to type it here, like gingerbread, ginger ale. Think of a word for snow. Ooh, snowball, snow hat, right? Rain, rainbow. Okay, so there are, boop, 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 boop. Oh, they're actually, I left the answers for you, but don't do that. You can check your answers. There are 30 cards. Don't look at that. Try to do it yourself first. Okay. You're gonna have your special. Our special is digital learning. So oh, that's Mrs. String. I guess somebody is parked illegally. So our special is digital learning, which means everyone will be doing typing agent in my class. Then you get lunch for literacy. We're doing Thursday nonfiction inferences. And here we go. Okay. Select a nonfiction book of your choice. It can be a book, article, or a digital book. Fill in the graphic organizer. Try to practice asking and answering a right there question and an inferential question. So that's your job. So again, you can look at the Friday nonfiction inferences if you want, and you can read a different book from this last slide. Sea creatures, what if you had animal eyes? I'm Jackie Robinson. I added earthquakes here because this earthquake link doesn't work, and or penguins. So you can pick a book from there or from Epic. Then we have writing, and it's going to be, oh, wait, I'm in Friday. Thursday, garbage barge writing. Okay. And the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, I should say. So you are going to be working on the golden bricks. We have learned about these 5 golden bricks, like a quote, and they actually give you an example. A statistic, they give you an example. An amazing fact, they give you an example. An anecdote, they give you an example. A descriptive segment, and they give you an example. So here's the deal. Now that you know what golden bricks are, read this article from National Geographic. As you read, identify the golden bricks found in the piece. Use one example of each to fill in the blank below. So you're going to have a quote, you're going to have a statistic, you're going to have an amazing fact, you're going to have an anecdote, and a descriptive segment. So yes, you should have a piece of paper or your personal whiteboard. And it says, what are the golden bricks? You can always click back, click the arrow, and it brings you back to slide 2 to help you know what they are. Okay, so here is the article. Oops, I hope this works. Oh, now that I'm doing this, why is it not live? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think I'm going to have to put a link in here because it's the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. I'm going to have to find that and put that in there. So you're working on your golden bricks today. Well, that was good to know. And then recess. And then finally, you're going to learn about some state and national parks and how they help us learn about ancient peoples. So this is some slides, and there are some Google Maps. So the first is Mesa Verde in Colorado. And please listen to me read this to you. And then go to the Google Maps, and you can see this. You can see the cliff dwellings that they've excavated, the archaeologists, so you can see the archaeologists at work and some of the artifacts that they've found. The Teotihuacan pyramids in Mexico, you can go there for Google Maps, but please listen to my narration. Each narration is like 3 minutes. Then we have the Cahokia Mounds in Illinois, and it's the Adena, Hopewell, and Mississippian tribes. And it shows you from like a drone. There's a video to watch, and then you can go to that Google Maps. And finally, the Chacao culture in New Mexico. So again, listen to this. It's 3 minutes. You can see how they've excavated it. Different archaeologists, the Anansi tribe, and oops, this moved. I tried to get this out of the way so you could see the words. There's a video here and Google Maps. So that's what you're doing for social studies. And you have to do all of that because tomorrow, on Friday, we're going to do a Kahoot and a Quizlet. So you're going to have a quiz on this social studies unit on Monday. Okay. So that's our Thursday. You're going to be doing it at home. And we can't wait to see you bright and early, all bundled up. I told my class it could be pajama day. I don't know if that's okay with your other teachers, but since we're going to be home on a snow day, we thought we would have a pajama day. So bundle up tonight, snuggle up, and we'll see you first thing tomorrow morning at your computer.